the number of the day, and I do know that it has got something to do with Zimbabwe.
It does indeed. It could be 4 after your interview, 4 days, not more, for an impeachment process to take place. But we are actually looking at the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange, which has recorded even more heavy losses. So let's take a look at those. That number, the industrial index on the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange, fell by around 10.5% today, which is its biggest one-day drop since the coup. The ZSE began falling last week. Now, the losses are not seen as a sign of investor distress, however, but rather as a sign of confidence that the economy may turn around. Before the military stepped in, stocks were soaring, which was actually a sign of economic dysfunction. Zimbabweans had been buying stocks as a protection against the risks of carrying cash and against inflation, since the government has been printing a new form of money called bond notes to deal with the lack of dollars. Many were willing to overpay for stocks, putting this market in bubble territory. And the industrial index that we're looking at had jumped up by 260% this year alone. So, of course, it's all changed. And the sell-off over the last few days is therefore a sign that Zimbabwean investors believe that there could be a recovery in the economy, and they are now willing to hold some of their wealth in bank accounts or cash. This despite the political impasse after President Robert Mugabe failed to step down, as many had hoped, as we've been discussing tonight. Our reporter Diabo Seto has more.